There you go. A website made by a robot. Right, so I'm going to show you right now a website that ChatGPT actually created for me. It's a photography website, well, a template actually. And the thing is, I didn't have to know any line of code because ChatGPT literally created the whole code for myself. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Basically, this right here is the website. Now, I know it's not the greatest thing you've ever seen, which is fair enough, but it's entirely made by ChatGPT. So the very first thing I did, basically, if you don't know what GitHub it is, probably we're going to talk about that in another video. Basically, GitHub is literally a website where you can actually create, let's say, another website, but locally, and then after you're going to finish the website, you can actually transfer it to a domain and you can actually create a full-on website. But up until then, this is pretty much where you can save the work that you do for later when you're actually going to use it on your proper website. Once we open VS Code, we will have to create 3 files, which one of them will be index.html, then the second one will be style.css, and the third one would be app.js. Now, when it comes to index.html, you'll have to name it index.html, but then with the style and the app, so the CSS and the JavaScript, you can name them whatever you want, but this is how I named them, and I think pretty much this is how everyone does it. It's just easy to find it whenever you search for it, and then it's just easy because it's easy. It's just easier that way. Once you have all created, we're just gonna have to go to ChatGPT. Now on the ChatGPT, I've already asked the question, so I'm not gonna ask it again because there's no point. Just gonna go all the way here. So the first question that I asked, can you create for me a full photography website? Now I didn't even read what ChatGPT said because I wasn't interested. I wanted to give me the code. So then I thought to myself, I'll have to be a little bit nicer to ChatGPT. So I said, can you please create for me a photography website template using index.html, style.css, and app.js. So basically, I told ChatGPT all the files that I need the robot to create for me, because I didn't want to be a misunderstanding between us. I specified that I need those 3 apps. So you have to actually specify exactly what you need. And then ChatGPT gave me index.html. As you can see, all this code was created by the robot. I didn't have to do literally anything. I just asked the question. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy this code, go on to Visual Code, index.html, and paste it. Then come back here, and there we have the style CSS. Now, sometimes when the code is too long, ChatGPT will tend to stop after a while, but then you just have to literally say continue, and ChatGPT will actually carry on giving you the rest of the code. So we're just going to copy the first part of the code. We're going to put it right here. We'll go back, and now we will have to copy. Oops. Right this way. Now we're gonna copy the rest of the code, which is a lot. That's why we've had to say to tell the robot to continue. And we're just gonna paste it right after the other line. So you can see it all looks good, perfect. Save this. Save this. Don't forget Command S to save. And now we go to app.js. Now on the app.js, for some reason, it didn't create anything. I don't know why. But then I've just asked another question. Can you create a JavaScript for this as well? And kaboom, JavaScript done. So we're just going to copy this code as well. Go back to the VS Code, bam bam, paste it, save this, and now go back to index.html, and once you're here, you're just gonna have to go live. As soon as you're gonna press go live, you will literally see a website that was created by a robot because you asked that robot to create that. So just keep that in mind. There you go, a website made by a robot. We've got home, portfolio, about, contact me. You can put photos here. You've got like a form for the people, you know, to contact you, to book you for like shootings and stuff like that. It is absolutely crazy. I've got no words for that. No words at all. Now, thanks for watching. If you liked it, share, subscribe, comment, blah blah. Do all that kind of stuff. It helps the algorithm. You already know that. Everyone knows that. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.